movie. Silly Billy. Keep eating so I can change your clothes after. Friday na. Dito na yung aking mana buttered toast. Malapit na maubos, guys. So, dalawa yung kinakain ko. And parang meron na lang, isa na lang natira dun. Pero meron pa ako nung binigay ni Michelle na hindi naka ganito. Yung mas malaki siya. So, yesterday you wore blue jumper?
Yeah, see, on the phone.
Oh, yeah, we can see on the vlog. Hey, wait, I'll check in a minute. Nakalimutan ko kasi kung anong kulay yung sinuot niya kahapon. Kasi dalawa lang yung jumper niya, diba? Red at saka blue. Eh, naglalaba nga kasi ako every time umuwi siya from school. Dry na pareho. Hindi ko na alam kung saan doon yung ginamit niya kahapon. Naka-ready na yung blue eh. Pero gusto ko sana yung suotin niya ngayon. Yung hindi niya sinuot kahapon, check ko lang yung vlog, guys. We checked. And what did you wear yesterday? What color? Red?
Red.
She wore red yesterday. So, you're wearing blue today. Mommy's right. Yay!
That's a road.
Huh? Si Billy. Tulog pa din si Arlo. So, masaya kaming kumakain ng aming breakfast. Tapos ko na yung lunch niya. Nandun yung backpack niya. O, naka-ready na. Nakalimutan niya ilagay sa backpack niya yung library bag niya.
Milk.
So, hindi ko nadala kahapon kasi inopen ko naman yung backpack niya while nandun kami. Kaya lang, nakalimutan ko. Naalala ko siya nung pag-uwi na namin. Sabi ko, dapat may book ka palang dala ngayon. Walang book, walang library bag. So, nandun lang yun sa classroom niya. Yung mga backpack kasi nila kahapon, nasa labas ng classroom. Inakita ni Arlo yung backpack. Sabi ni Arlo, snack. Kasi every time nakakita siya ng backpack, akala niya may lamang snack.
Bye. I smile.
Oh, you're smiling. I love your smile.
I smile.
I know. I love your smile.
Smile.
You have the best smile. Come on. So, inopen namin yung bag ni Ayla para tumingin ng sana may leftover na snack. So, kinain ni Arlo yung leftover na strawberries niya. Arlo was grumpy yesterday nung pinick up namin si ate. So, he was in the pram na umiiyak kasi gusto niya ng gummy bears. Eh, hindi ako nagdala ng gummy bears. Hindi ako nagdala ng treats. Kasi he was fine. He was eating a lot sa bahay. Hanggang pagdating na doon na siya naghanap ng gummy bears. Nakakaloka tong batang ko. So, inopen namin yung bag ni ate. And yung napansin ko, wala yung water bottle niya. But nakikita ko kasi na nasa loob yung water bottle niya. So, yun yung kinuha ko. But yung library bag, I forgot. So, Daddy will get the library bag today. Ayla, go to the toilet and pee. And then on your way back, bring the hair bag so I can do your hair. Come on. Lubos-lubusin na natin habang tulog yung ano mo, kapatid mo. Go. Ready, steady, go. On the way back, bring your hair bag. Thank you. Huh? No, it's not dark. Open it. Open it and see. It's not dark. See? Hello, time check. 10:40 ng umaga. Nakabihis na si Arlo, guys. Nagpo kasi siya, so binhisan ko na lang. Dito kami sa taas, mag-fold tayo ng clothes. Nag-edit ako kanina, tapos hindi na kaya ng mata ko. Gumaganon yung mata ko, nagti-twitch yung dito. Oh, hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, hindi pa ako nakaka-phone. Hindi din ako nagla-laptop. Tapos, nakaupo lang ako doon. Kasi hindi ko mapigilan na tumingin sa TV. Tapos, gumaganon na gano'n naman yung mata ko. Sabi ko, akyat tayo doon. Hanap tayo ng gagawin doon sa taas. So, i-fold na lang natin itong mga damit dito. Para pag nag-laundry tayo, wala nang i-fold. Next laundry namin is linggo eh. So, iyan, nagti-twitch siya. Ilang araw na to eh. Pero kahapon, nag-edit pa din ako. Nag-phone. Ngayon parang, sabi ko, alam, nandiyan pa din siya. So, tigilan natin itong ating screen time. Hindi muna ako mag-i-edit. Good luck sa aking mga kailangan i-edit. Tapos yung phone ko, pinipigilan ko talaga. Kasi minsan, alam mo yung habit mo na. Tapos tinitingnan mo, maililista sana ako kanina. Na grocery, sabi ko bahala na yan, mamaya na yan. So hindi pa talaga ako naka-phone. Ayoko naman siyang ilagay dun sa baba kasi baka may tumawag, baka tumawag si Dan, o baka may i-text si Dan. So dito lang siya sa aking dito ka lang sa aking wall. Finished? Oh my gosh! Ang dami nating magagawa siguro dito. Mag-declutter tayo ng toys. Mami does, it's so cute! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Itong may mga stain na hindi na namin siya ginagamit eh. Ewan ko bakit saan galing tong stain na to. Baka dito? Parang no? Nagsistain ka? Ang light-light mo na nga. Pero hindi nag-stain yung blue dito. So ginagawa na namin siyang rug. Mommy cat is there.
My cat's there.
Where? Ah, scissors. Cat. Scissors. It's called scissors, mate.
I died.
Oh, you got it! Ang paboritong t-shirt ni Dan. Hindi kasi to basta-basta like graphic tee lang. Port power kasi yan, guys. Alam niyo naman si Dan, kahit na ang dami-daming damit, kung ano yung paborito niya, yun talaga lagi niya suot. So, ayan, dry na naman yan. Susutin na naman yan this weekend. Every weekend yan yung suot niya. Every time nga nag-i-edit ako, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Lagi na lang.
Mommy!
Baby!
Mickey Mouse.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
There.
Oh, no. Ang kunti na lang pala nito. Is it yummy? Yummy orange?
Big one.
It's a big one, yeah. You get a big one. Nakabihis ka na, boy. Nakabihis na kami dalawa. Are you showing the guys the big one? Show the guys. Yummy, yummy. In Alo's belly. Oh, guys. Tapos na kami mag-lunch.
Yummy.
Yummy. Eating, now, fruit. Ang sarap ng oranges na to. Pag kayo nagawi doon, kung taga-Adelaide kayo, tas nagawi kayo doon sa Riverland, bili kayong oranges nila kasi ang sarap, ang juicy. We got 3 bags from Sisi and Tita Michelle. Medyo matagal na to ha, but still very juicy. What we do is we put, not all of them, kasi ang dami kasi 3 bags. They bought 3 bags. Naglalagay kami ng enough lang sa fridge. Tapos when we're ready to eat it, we take out the ones that we put in the fridge and then we cut it up. And then, medyo malamig siya. It's really yummy. No? It's really yummy, no? And look at my nail. This one popped off. So, I've got this. One nail that popped off.
Yummy.
And I think I'm gonna remove my nails today, guys.
Yummy.
Yeah, I don't think I will glue this back on kasi I need to replace it anyway. And pangalawa na siya na
What are you doing?
What is my nail doing? Pangalawang nail na siya na natanggal eh. So, the first one was this one. Natanggal siya, but I glued it back on kasi sabi ko hindi pa ako ready na palitan siya. But now I think I'm ready. Your nails are very nice and short. Isang orange yan. Hindi ko to makatkat kasi gusto niya daw ng big one. Palugawa, hindi ko lang masoak yung nails ko kasi alam ko na mamaya magpapahugas ng kamay. So I need at least 10 minutes to soak my nails para matanggal yung press-on. Yung iba, as in, wala pa ding lifting. Ito lang, wala naman siyang lifting. Kasi I check all the time eh. Ginaganon ko siya and wala namang lifting to. But yeah, it just came off today. Nung nagpalit ako ng pants.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy in Alo's belly. So yummy. Love you, boy. Hala! Kukumain naman siya. There's more in the fridge.
A cat.
Cat, yeah. Mommy cat.
I got you, Mommy.
You got me? It's 12:25 na ng hapon. And yeah, hindi pa ako bumabalik sa laptop ko. Though okay na wala ng twitching yung aking mata.
Justice.
Yummy? Nagtupi lang ako sa taas, nagbihis obviously. Tapos nag-declutter ng konti. Friday ngayon, pero wala pala si Kuya guys. Kasi hindi siya available ngayon. Sabi niya bukas sana. Kailan bukas hindi naman mag-workout yung timing naming dalawa. So, balik niya Thursday next week. Kasi again, okay naman, malinis naman yung bahay. Kung nandito sana si Kuya kanina, nandun na kami ni Arlo sa Filipino shop. Bili siguro kami ng bread. But sa naramdaman ko kagabi, nahihilo ako. Sabi ni Dan, samahan na lang kita sa Sabado na lang tayo punta dun. Is that very yummy? It's very juicy, no? Yummy? Good job. Oh, well done. That's good. See, that's how you should do it. Finish! That's good. Well done. Gayag sila na akong dodong, eh?
Big one.
Big one. Oh, finish? You want more? Hey, give me your hand. Yucky hands. Huy, that's ampalaya. Maybe that's gonna be Mommy's dinner. Huwag mong ganyanin yung ampalaya ko. That's ampalaya. That's not yours.
Mom.
Very bitter. Say hi. Say good morning.
Morning.
Say good afternoon.
What are you doing?
Say happy Friday.
Everybody.
What's your name?
Owl.
How old are you?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. How old are you?
Doctor.
How old are you?
Potato.
2.
Potato.
Triceratops.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Velociraptor. Chickle baby. I want to chickle baby this one. Alright, now, come on.
Mommy. Mommy.
Jump. Big jump. Come on, ready, steady. Jump. Jumping. Alright guys, let's do this. Tapos na mag-snack si Arlo. He's watching TV. Let's do this. Ang dami ko nakikita sa TikTok kasi nga, yun na yung nakikita ko sa TikTok guys, all about press-on nails. Iba yung process ng iba. Like yung iba nilalagay yung oil, any oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and then dish soap, and then warm water sa bowl, and then sinusok nila yung kamay nila. Yung isang video na nakita ko, nilalagay niya yung castor oil sa kuko, let it soak muna, and then sa kanya nilalagay or nilulublob sa warm water yung kamay niya na meron ng castor oil. So what I'm doing now is I am just parang nililift ko lang ng konti para pumasok yung oil. So nililift ko lang siya ng konti. Again, wala pa tong lifting so medyo mahirap. I'm just using this wooden stick. And you don't wanna do it really hard kasi ayaw mo namang masaktan. Ay, ito, naglilift na siya. Ayun, nakuha na. Walang, ano yun, walang kapwersa-pwersa. So that's, ay, ito din, walang kapwersa-pwersa. Ay, ayun na. Na-lift na. Ginamit ko itong end na to na, ano, you guys. Ito pa yung second set na nilagay ko sa kamay ko. Kasi kung may time kayo like kahit na hindi ganun kahaba yung time, and mahilig kayo mag-nails, ako kasi mahilig talaga ako eh. And to be honest, it looks really good. As long as na-apply mo siya ng maayos, kailangan mo nga lang matutunan kung paano siya i-apply, paano siya i-remove. Ayan. So, just by doing that, I was able to remove 2 nails nang walang kaproblema. So, I got this from Amazon. Yung gagawin ko lang is lalagay ko lang siya sa nails ko. Ilagay ko na lang din siya sa mga na-remove na nails para lang malagyan ko din, ma-moisturize ko yung mga nails ko. Ayan. I love you, Alo. My love. Ayan. And maganda to kasi ganyan yung ano niya. Yung opening niya ba? Squeeze bottle lang siya. You wanna try? And then just massage it. Dito na yung dudong natin. You got me! Be careful, okay? So, massage lang kahit dun sa nail na natanggal na. And then after a couple minutes, try nating i-lift ulit gamit yung tool. Tyrannosaurus Rex! Ta-na-na-na-na! Na-na-na-na-na! Ay, oo nga pala. Nilagay niya din sa ilalim. Dito ba? Para talaga mapunta siya dun sa ano, sa nail mo mismo. To break off the glue, siguro. Diba? Your nails. I love your nails. Very clean. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm talking about. You got me?
I love you, Mom.
Oh, I love you, Arlo. I love you. Ay, nako. Ito yung ano ko na anak. Rough na mapagmahal naman. Very rough but sweet. Na? Rough but sweet naman. I love you, Arlo.
My nails.
Your nails?
I got it.
Yeah?
I got it.
You got it? Meron akong malaking order sa Yes Style ng mga nails. I'm so excited! Meron din kasing nails yung Yes Style. So yung next package ko, halos lahat, or yeah, halos lahat, puro mga press-on nails, guys. I'm so excited. Alright, guys, so I was able to remove 3 from just the castor oil. Now, nilagyan ko na to ng tubig. Warm water. Very warm, actually. Soak your fingers. Ito na naman. Dito na naman siya. Yung iba, again, diretso na sila soak. Hindi nila sinusoak ng oil lang. Yung kuko nila, diretso na sila dito. And because ganito yung sitwasyon ko, alam ko kasi didisturbo na ko nito eh. So, I found that video that I watched very helpful na isoak mo lang muna sa ganyan. And that worked out really good, ha? Because we were able to remove 5. Kasi nga, di ba yung isa natanggal na? And I have 6 nails off now. So, ngayon, 4 na lang yung kailangan nating i-remove. So, sabi nila, 10 to 15 minutes, okay na. Hindi yun nakikita, guys, but nalilift ko na yung isa. So, i-lift ko lang siya, tas soak, just to make sure na ma-absorb talaga ng nail ko mismo yung ating pa-solution dito. Again, kung masakit pa, huwag niyong pilitin, ha? Because it will come off. It just needs time. No, 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 no. Ay, nako. Ito na naman tayo. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Down, down, down. Ready to pick up, ate? Kanina pa niya ako pinipilit. I wanna see ate. I wanna go to ate. I wanna go to school. Wala pang oras. Alright, let's go. Can you get mommy's shoes, please? Mommy's shoes. Give it to mama. That one. Yeah, yeah. Give it to mommy. My shoes. There. Not that one, that one. That one, the big one. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, so strong. Thank you. Hi, Arlo. Ang hirap na maglagay ng sapatos. Buti na lang, sinaslide ko lang to. Hindi ko na siya kailangan, hindi ko na kailangan mag-bend. Ayan. Woo! Baby. Let's go. Okay. And go, mommy's car. Come on. Not there. Here. Garage. It's fixed now. Garage. Here. Knock, knock. Say, open, please. Alright, let's go. Yung problema lang pala nung garage namin yan, guys. Kailangan palitan ng battery. And yun yung iniisip ni Dan, yeah, feeling niya yan. Kaya lang hindi niya matanggal. He couldn't figure out how to remove it para lagyan ng battery. So we had to call someone out. And yeah, nag-video ako kay kuya kung paano to tanggalin and palitan ng battery. So we shouldn't have any problems next time. Kasi alam na namin lahat. Alam namin paano yan palitan ng battery. Alam namin paano palitan ng battery yung remote. But yeah, kung mayroon kayong ganyan, paturo kayo. Kasi 135 na 135 yung pagpunta ni kuya kahapon. Update sa kuko ko. Natanggal ko na siya lahat, guys. Hindi lang ako makapag-continue into prepping my nails because Arlo kept climbing on the bench top. So kinailangan ko siyang i-distract. So naglaro muna kami. Hanggang naabutan na ako ng alarm ko na 2:20 na pala. So I started getting ready and now we're here. It's 2:29. But yeah, all gone. So basically after mo i-remove yung nails mo, you just have to push the cuticles up and then clean your nails kasi may mga glue residue pa yan. So file your nails, clean it, and then once you're satisfied, glue it on. So I don't know if I will be able to do that tonight. Maybe tomorrow we will see. But yeah, nails are nice and happy naman. Hindi naman siya sobrang weak. Bahay na kami. 4:20 na ng hapon. Kanina pa kami, guys, nasa bahay. Kaya lang nung nagda-drive ako pabalik, si Arlo nakatulog. So tinransfer ko siya. Ang tulog siya. So while tulog siya, I did prep my nails. So, nalinis ko na yung nails ko, napush ko na yung cuticle, tinanggal ko na yung ibang mga kailangan tanggalin, na-file ko na siya, but mamaya ko na ikakabit yung press-on. Hindi ko alam kung ngayon or bukas. Siguro bukas para ma-extend ng konti kasi may lakad kami next weekend. Naalis kami. I wanna make sure na magstay yung nails ko ng weekend na yun. Ayla, you have your water here. Dami pang natirang tubig mo, Day. Ito yung pinakita niya kay Arlo agad-agad. Ginawa niya daw to, merong snake. Arlo was really good today. Hindi siya umiyak, gaya ng kahapon. So, naglakad lang kami, hindi siya nag-pram. Ba yung parking kasi namin din ang lapit-lapit lang. Sana nakuha ni Daddy yung library bag niya. Tago yung orange niya, hindi kinain. Nandito pa din. Yung apple, kinain naman. Very good. Pinadalhan ko siya ng straw kasi pinadalhan ko siya ng Yakult. Usually, yung pinapadala ko sa kanya yogurt, kaya lang kahapon, banana yogurt yung nilagay ko kasi wala na kaming strawberry yogurt. Strawberry yung favorite niya eh. Tsaka, recently, gusto niya din yung blueberry. Kaya lang yung natira namin banana na lang. Kahapon, banana yung pinadala ko sa kanya. Hanggang sa pag-uwi, wala. Dito pa din yung banana. Ayaw niya ng banana yogurt. So, sabi ko, ito, tapos nilagyan ko ng straw. Sabi ko sa kanya, ibalik mo yung straw ha. Kasi ang hirap nito i-open eh. Nahihirapan nga ako minsan. So, pinapoke ko na lang sa kanya yung straw. Hindi siya kumain ng orange guys. So, tayo kakain ito. Sineparate ko yung orange niya eh. Lagi may natitirang isang strawberry. Oh, nag-iisang twiggy stick. Maliit. And then strawberry. Natira din. Lagyan natin dito. Kainin niya ni Arlo mamaya. Let's wash this. May napanood din kasi ako sa TikTok, sabi kung gagawin mo yung nails mo, yung ano na, pa end of day na, or like, yung patulog ka na para hindi mo talaga magalaw yung nails, hindi mo na kailangan hugasan. Eh, ang dami ko pang kailangan gawin guys. Maghugas pa tayo, maliligo, alaga sa mga kids, magluluto pa ako mamaya. So, ang dami pa natin gagawin. So, mas mabuti na mamaya na lang yung nails. Hello guys! I am making sausage rolls. Well, hindi sausage yung laman niya. Chivachi. Hindi ko alam kung napopronounce ko yan properly. But yung ano siya. Yeah, para din siyang sausage actually. Hindi ko lang sure kung Italian ba to or basta. May ano na kasi siya, may lasa na talaga siya. So yung ginagawa ko, kinukuha ko na lang yung meat. Nilalagyan ko ng cheese. Tapos niro-roll ko sa ganito. Yung puff pastry. And meron na tayong very easy sausage roll. And yung plano ko sana ngayon, mag-aampalaya ako. Wala pala kaming oil. Naubos kagabi yung oil namin. As in, wala na talaga. Wala akong yung pang-fry na oil, naubos. And yung pang, like, araw-araw ko na oil, avocado oil kasi gamit namin. Wala na. Ubos na ubos pala talaga. So, magsusyomay na lang ako para walang kailangan na oil. I-steam ko lang yun. But mamaya na yung akin. Unahin ko to kasi it needs to be in the oven for 35-40 minutes. So, ito mga chivachi, and meron ako dyang hotdog. Kasi meron akong extra, puff pastry. So, hotdog at saka cheese. Anong oras na ba? 5:28. Agoy. After 6 na ito magiging ready. Si Arlo kasi kanina, pagising niya. Gusto magpakarga. Ayoko nga kargahin. So, todo ako. Todo distract. Hindi happy yung pagising niya eh. Hindi tuloy tayo nakapag-start agad ng din-din.
Must have cake. Cake, cake, cake. I can find berries. Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit?
There's a big down.
Where's the fox? Where's the fox? Where's the fox?
Aladdin.
That's a rabbit. Where's the bird?
Yeah.
That's a fox. Where's the bird? Is that a bird?
No.
Okay. Oh, it looks like Minnie Rabbit might be going the wrong way.
Not bird.
Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
But
Not bird.
There's a bird up there. He's doing a poo. Look.
Why is he doing a poo?
I don't know. Hello, Minnie Rabbit. Where are you going? Do you need any help? Asked Mr. Fox. No, thank you. Don't need help. Looking for berries. Making a cake. Cake, cake, cake. Where could Minnie Rabbit be going now? I can find berries. Where's the rabbit, Arlo? Where's the rabbit?
There.
Where's the other rabbit? And where's the bird? Where's the rabbit and bird?
There.
Oh, good job. Where's the other rabbit? Where's the fox? Where's the fox?
There.
No, he's up here. He's up here.
Careful, Ella.
He's up
Yeah,
here.
up here.
He's up here.
Do you like this book, Ate?
Yeah.
It's nice, eh?